So pigeon pose can open tight hips and help release the low back like nothing else. In fact, it's many people's favorite pose, but when it's done incorrectly, it can put a lot of strain on the knees. So Amyan Ramdas, welcome to Asana from the ashram. Namaste. And in just a minute, we'll show you how to do this pose safely and in the best way for your body. So stay tuned and we'll show you all that. You know, pigeon pose done correctly is a wonderful pose with so many benefits far beyond what I just mentioned. But when it's done incorrectly, it puts the knees at risk. So we'll show you options, how to use bolsters, straps, blankets to get comfortable in pigeon pose so you can get all the benefits. Enjoy. So here we have Nikhil getting ready for pigeon pose. Remember, he's very, very flexible, so don't feel you need to do everything he does. He comes to his hands and knees, then to downward dog, brings the right knee forward, carefully places it next to that right hand, takes time to adjust the front leg, straighten the back leg back. Notice his hips and buttocks are parallel to the ground. This is very important. Then he comes down slowly. So we'll show you if it's too much, we'll show you now how to bring a block or a bolster underneath. Okay, so when you're coming into pigeon pose and you're bringing this right knee forward and you push into the hands, slide the back leg back. When you're getting this angle at the knee joint, for the deeper stretch, you bring the foot forward. You might find that the buttocks is off the ground. So what you need to do is grab a block and place a block underneath for support. Push into the hands, get the back leg back, keep the hips parallel to the ground, and you can make those micro adjustments. If you need less, bring the foot back. If you need more, bring it forward, and then slowly come down. If you need a second block under the buttocks, use it. You can also bring a blanket underneath, a combination of a block and a blanket to get comfortable. Also, a nice tip is to push the hand into the foot. Create some resistance there to help kind of set the pose and adjust it, and then slowly come down. If you need cushion under the front of the body, a cushion or two, you can place that there as well. Don't feel like you need to go all the way back or all the way down. The most important thing is right up here in the upper pigeon. If you hold the upper body up, you can get everything aligned like he did in the beginning. This is a nice variation that he's doing, coming down and up, because it gives you a chance to feel the different angles of the stretch related to your upper body, how low or how high and into the back bend you are. Now he's going to demonstrate the Ekapararaja Kapottanasana, the full expression of the pose. So notice he's very flexible in those shoulders, able to turn the elbow up, and he's in a deep back bend, extreme frontal hip flexibility in the hip flexors, very open spine. Please don't do this. Unless it's really comfortable for you, only about 1% of the population are actually really comfortable doing this. I am not. It's too much on my low back, and I'll feel pain if I force that expression. So whatever you do on the one side, you're going to want to do on the other side as well. So you come back to your hands and knees or your hands and feet like this in downward dog, and then carefully place the other knee forward, in this case the left knee forward behind the left hand or next to it, Take time here. This is the most important part. Adjusting your upward pigeon, getting the back leg straight. He takes a look to make sure it's all the way back there, aligning the hips parallel to the ground, and then slowly lowering that upper body down. Very important that the pelvis and hips are level or parallel with the ground. This makes a big difference. Using the bolsters, it can be a block, a pillow, a blanket. That really helps. So it's not just for beginners, it's just intelligent use of the tools we have to get a better stretch and be more comfortable. Remember, at any point, if you feel pain or discomfort, please stop, modify, and get yourself comfortable. Here we have the video to show you different variations where you can take a strap around the back foot and hold it, or hold the foot with the hand with the arm straight back. This is a beautiful expression of the pose, but very few people can do it, as I mentioned. More just for inspiration here, so we can see what the full expression of the pose looks like. In almost all my classes, so I'd like to just show the upward pigeon and then lowering down into sleeping pigeon with the chest and the belly down towards the ground. Thank you so much for joining. Namaste. Remember, the best version of Pigeon Pose is the version your body can trust. So go slowly, take your time, use props or support whenever needed, whenever you feel like it. Don't force. This is therapeutic, anti-inflammatory yoga. It's not a performance or yoga gymnastics. We're here to increase benefits and minimize risk. So take your time, enjoy. Thank you so much for joining. Namaste.